Well, we moved into Fire Up in October last year. We were working from home. We realised something was missing and we wanted some collaboration time. So we did a search in and around this area. We looked at 4 offices in the same day. The first 3 were twice the price and half as nice. And then this one was just perfect for us.
We've worked in a number of different co-working spaces, and the idea is that you do talk to other businesses, you get to know other businesses, and they do a lot of work here. You've got the business growth up here, you've got Rochdale Development Agency around here, so from that perspective you've got a lot of events that come on. It's got a car park at the back, it's got a tram in front, it's next to the train station, so from a location point of view it was perfect. The network, so the internet is much better than any of the ones I've been in previously. There's meeting rooms, so we can sort of book a small meeting room, or we can have bigger ones. We've had bigger ones, there's sort of events upstairs.
Having Fire Up here in Rochdale has actually made the role that I've got now possible. Due to having a young family, it's not possible to work at home every day. Good transport links, good facilities within the building, nice friendly atmosphere. It makes it a place that you want to come to.
Cost is always a factor when you're setting up a new business, and it's extremely cost effective. I think it's great to be part of a business community as opposed to just flying solo, especially when you're a new start business. There's always the opportunity around this place to kind of share ideas.
Here at Fire Up we run a number of specialist business clinics throughout Business Growth Hub, which is essentially to support any types of businesses. We do a walk-in, drop-in business support whereby people who are in and around Rochdale, who do run a business or even wants to start a business, they can just walk straight into Fire Up and receive straight one-to-one support from myself.
I like to be as helpful as I can, as amenable as I can. I'll make people drinks if they come in at the last minute for a meeting and the clock watching. So basically anything that they need, I will do my best to help them with. Sometimes they just want to come in and have a chat that day. We are like one big family.